This is a Standel 32J12T. T's for tremolo, 12's for a 12-inch Jensen speaker. The J is for Jensen. And 32 is just the model number. Usually the higher the number, the fancier and louder the amp, as far as Standel goes. It has a transistorized preamp. So essentially, in this amplifier, the first preamp tube is replaced with germanium transistors, and it has a 2-phase inverter and 2 7591 power tubes. The phase inverter is a 12AX7, and it has a solid-state rectifier. These came around in about 1962, and this is a 63. But there's a video online with Emerald City Guitars, and they're playing one, and it has a Tech 21 speaker in it, and it doesn't sound like it's in good shape, and they're playing the blues on it, and I thought I'd make this to here with a telly, excuse me, to show that these are nice sounding amplifiers. Very good for jazz, country, excuse me, I have a cold, indie type stuff. I just have a compressor on here. This channel's a little more blackface-ish bright, not quite as gainy. Treble control, bass control. Anyway, very rare amplifier, very special to me. Beautifully designed, cutting edge at the time, of course. These came out in '62. I may have said that already. No, it's one of my favorite amplifiers, and I have some other cool ones too. But this just does something very special. Yeah, in the video I had a little reverb pedal and a little bit of compressor with, there's no gain, unity gain, and like a oil can delay, and with the jelly. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope this at least sets the record straight that these amplifiers sound great in the right context. They're certainly not, this isn't particularly what I would consider a blues amplifier. Jazz, country, indie, steel guitar, And of course they get dirty. Absolutely, they get dirty, and they sound fantastic. 7591 power tubes sound great overdriven. Some call them like a mini EL34. But anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.